Now that I have the blank for the panel cut, as I said, I'm going to sand the edge to the line. And again, since this is a panel and it's going to be inset into a frame, ordinarily I probably wouldn't have had to do this, but again, for the video, I'm going to show you this step because actually I'll be sanding the inside of the frame too, and that does need to be done. But it will give you an idea of, you know, say if I would have made a round tabletop or something, the edge needs sanded. This is my oscillating spindle sander here, which means it both turns and goes up and down at the same time, which makes for better cutting. I'm going to reposition this camera so that it's closer to the work and about right down on top of it, so you can see as the sandpaper cuts the line away and we end up with a nice flat and smooth edge. Just that. I think that'll give you a pretty good look. And I'm actually going to have to slide this over a bit more, closer to the end of the horses, so I can get in here and work. Like I said, if I had a cameraman, this might be a little bit better shot, but there. Now just keep your eye right here as that goes right up against there. I'll start the machine and here we go. For this job, I am going to use a little PPE, or personal protective equipment. I've got a dust mask here I'm going to put on. I don't have a hose that fits this, even though there is a dust collection port on it, but it does throw some dust up, so I'm going to put this mask on before I start.